there is some changes that we should do in here. Let's just hit this, and this is good, and go here. There is not a lot of space here, but we have a space in this direction. Let's just change our grid to, let's just say 1 millimeter, and hold Control and hit right arrow key. Get rid of this. So we changed its position, but it's now on this side, and we don't want this. Let's just change our grid to 0.5, and let's just change it again. There is error again and again. So now it is good, I think. Change this, and it is no good. Let's just find, because it is clock and it is for programming, and no, you don't want to program it a lot. You just program it once for a mass production. That's good. This is ground. Ground is good. So what we want to do now, we have all of this that we should just put in our PCB. In here you see we have just one 10 microfarad, and we want another 10 microfarad here. You see, we want just another 10 microfarad here. There is not a lot of space here, and we don't want to just change a lot of our PCB, so we can just put it on the bottom layer. Let's just hit select it and hit L, so it will go to bottom layer, and we put it with a space, we rotate it and put it right under right under another 10 microfarad that is here. If you hit 3 on your keyboard, you see there is, it is not a resistor, it's just 3D body of a resistor, but you can just place it with capacitor. This is 110 microfarad, and when you go to this, you can see 10 microfarad here as well. If you go to here, you see there is a ground here that connect all the thing we want. So this capacitor we add it. What else we want? These three test point. Let's just first select one of these text, because we don't want this font. Right click on it, find similar object, and select all the stroke font. We don't want a stroke font, so select it, and in here in property, let's just change it to true type. You see it change here and make it bold. But for these 3 test point, we don't want its designator, so we select it, go to property, and in here we say just don't show designator, but show me its comment. So, and now we select their comment and go to property and invert it, and for inverting we want 10 mil margin border, so it is good now. You can see it where you want to put it. But first of all, what is important is this reset pin, because this reset pin should reset this MCU and this. So this is so much important for us. Let's just go to view. Hit N on your keyboard, so you see this, and you can just tell Altium to show all connection. Now you can see where this resistor this should be connected. Let's just try to connect it. You see in this pin, you shouldn't connect it like this. No. The best way is to change this location and just change reset button to between these two. Let's just try and do that. Bring all of this here and here. Of course, when we put capacitor on it, noise can do damage to it. So if you put this here, I think it's good to be here. We have a lot of space here and here, and no, of course this designator we don't want it. Let's just, and we want its comment, but we didn't comment it. Let's just click here, select it, and go to schematic, double click on it, part, double click on it, select its part, and in property, just in comment, let's just say it is RST for reset, and just update our PCB. We don't want to make those changes. Now in here, double click on this and please show me comment and get rid of this, and you can show this no matter, but I want this to don't show this. Double click on its text and no, select true type, inverted, and border of 10 mil. That's good. So let's just put it here. That's just good positioning. Let's just hit A and align vertical center by this, and this is okay.